Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing how to use Augment Code to write a simple code and flash it to M5Stack ATOM Matrix board. So let's get started. I have opened the Visual Studio Code. Now let us install C++ extension in Visual Studio Code. VS Code is installing the extension for C++. Okay, now it's installed. Now let us install PlatformIO IDE. PlatformIO IDE is used for M5Stack and it is very useful. Now once PlatformIO IDE is installed, we will install Augment Code, which is an AI agent which will help us to code. Basically, we can do vibe coding. We can just ask Augment Code whatever we want in plain English and it will write the code for us. In that way, it will be very easy to code even if you don't know anything about coding. Now we have installed Augment Code. Now let us set up the PlatformIO project. So you click on this alien or and button on the left. So PlatformIO is still getting ready. You can see bottom right the status of the PlatformIO IDE. Once the whole setup is ready, we can start creating the project for M5Stack. Now click on the alien button. Now you can see that you can create a new project. So scroll in the upper left box of PlatformIO. There you can see create a new project. Click on new project. Now here you have to select the board. So for that we will select M5Stack ATOM board. You can write M5Stack and then search for M5Stack ATOM. Okay, there it is. Keep Arduino. Okay, give the project name. So I will be giving ATOM Matrix test. Wait for some time, it will create the project structure for us. So once the project structure is created, on the left side you can see the project files. Now the project is created. So click on the files and you will see the projects structure. Then you will see first thing is PlatformIO.ini, where you have to set up the PlatformIO. So for that we'll first go to Atom Matrix documentation page, where you will find the entries for PlatformIO. You can just copy paste that in the PlatformIO.ini. So let's copy this PlatformIO configuration and just paste it in the PlatformIO.ini file. So once you paste the configuration and save it with Ctrl S, the PlatformIO will start configuring the project again. We'll try to download all the required files and do the setup for our project. So again, in the right bottom you will see the status. Okay, now the setup is complete. Next, let us set up the Augment Code so you can sign in. So for that you can sign up with your Google account. So if you are signing for the first time, you will get some free trial, where you will have some 100+ calls or 100+ messages. And if you have already used the trial period, you will get 50 messages per month free, and that is enough for doing some small DIY activities. So now I have connected to Augment Code. So as you can see, now you can see the Augment Code on the left side, which will index all your files and it will understand the project. Let me just move it to the right side, which I prefer. In settings, let me check if I have to do some settings. I think not required. It looks like agent mode is new. Let us try the agent mode. Let me try to drag and drop the left panel to right, and yes, I am able to move it. Okay, I don't want to use Copilot, so okay, now this setup looks better, where I can prompt in the right side and work on the project with Augment Code. Now let us open the main.cpp in source. Let's go to project file section. In that source src folder you have main.cpp. Now we will be updating this main.cpp with the help of Augment Code. Is the prompt I am giving to I want a red heart shape in atom matrix. So now Augment Code will generate the code for us. It is trying to understand the project, and once it understands the project, it will update the code main.cpp on the left. So now you can see it has written the code. So for this you don't have to know coding also. If you know, it's good, but even if you don't know, you can just give a prompt and it creates a C++ code for you, and it also explains what it has done. So it is good for learning also and quickly prototyping any of your M5Stack projects. So now let us try to build it. So with clicking on this check mark, it will try to build it. Okay, it looks like for downloading the libraries and all, I have to install the Git. So I'll go to Git and first install it, and then we'll come back and see if it compiles. Okay, I have installed Git. Now let us start VS Code again. Okay, now after installing it, PlatformIO is again configuring the project, and now it is trying to get all the libraries which were not installed earlier. So make sure you have installed Git on your system. Now again I'm going to the CPP file, and we will try to build it again once the PlatformIO configuration is finished. Okay, now let us build it again, and this time it looks like it is building. Oh, we have got some errors. So yeah, there are some errors we can see. So the next step is if you don't know how to debug it, you have to just copy the errors and just paste it in the Augment chat window, and it will understand the errors and it will try to fix it. So let me copy the error. Okay, now I am just telling Augment Code that this is my error, and it will try to understand it and try to fix it. So it will tell what is the issue. You can go through it and then it will just update So it has updated the code now. It found what was the issue, and now again we can compile it with the check mark. Great, now it looks it's compiling. And it has compiled successfully. Now let us connect our Atom Matrix board to the USB-C and let us try to flash it and see if it works. Yeah, I have connected the Matrix board. Now let us try to flash it. So it is downloading the code, the binary which is compiled to the Atom Matrix. You can see the status. Okay, it has started. Okay, so now it has flashed the Atom Matrix, but it looks like it's not working. Let me try to restart. It looks like it is not working. It is after removing the cable and again connecting the USB cable, it is not showing anything. So let us try to fix this. Again, we will tell to Augment Code what is the issue. So in the Augment Code, we will tell that we don't see anything, and it will try to find out the issues and fix it. So we'll try. The good thing about Augment Code is it will go to web and try to search the documentation and then examples on the web, and it will try to fix it with the help of those documentation and example codes available on the web. So it is asking for some verification that if it can connect to the web, and we say yes. So we instructed to fetch the data from the web. It might ask some couple of times. Okay, it has found the problem and it has also suggested the solution. It has also updated the main.cpp. Now we can compile it again. So as you can see, it has given the explanation of what it has changed and what was the issue. Now we compile again. Okay, so now again it has some errors. So we do the same thing again. We just copy the errors and give it to Augment Code. Let me copy the errors. Okay, again it found the issues and it will update the code as per the solutions it found. Okay, it has updated the code now. Now let us start building it again. So it's building it, and this time I think there are no errors. It has built the code successfully now. Now let us try to flash it. Click on the burn button to flash the binary to the Atom. It's right now downloading the binary to the Atom Matrix now. And let's check. Oh, so now you can see that it is properly showing art with the red LEDs. So now the code is working. So we have a working code which we just built just with wipe coding. Now let us try to make some changes to the code. So now we have the basic working code. We can ask it to just change the colors when we press the buttons. We can ask Augment Code to change the colors or cycle through red, green and blue color when we click the Atom Matrix button. So the button is basically when you click on the screen, it triggers the action. Okay, now let's see what Augment Code generates. So it will update the code as per our request. So it is updating the main.cpp. Okay, so now it has come up with the updated code in which you just press the button to cycle through the different colors. So starting with the red, green, then blue, then again red, then again green, then blue. So now you have the code. You can just go through the code and try to understand it. Now let me build it, and once it is built, we will again flash it to the Atom Matrix board. So it has built successfully. Let us flash it. Okay, now it has successfully flashed. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, it is working perfectly fine. When I press the buttons, it cycles through the different colors. So as you can see, it is very easy to code with Augment Code. You can take the help of AI. There are other AI agents which are available, but this is very easy. You get free messages, around 50 messages, and you can just create some good prototypes with M5Stack. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you are always notified with the new projects. Thank you once again for watching the video.